Ever wondered what keeps Akshay Kumar energetic throughout the day? He's known for his dynamic performances and tireless energy, but did you know that a lot of it comes from his diet? Akshay Kumar, the action hero and comedy king of Bollywood, is also a health enthusiast who thrives on a balanced diet and regular workouts. His secret: a simple yet power-packed juice recipe that he swears by. This refreshing drink not only fuels his workouts, but also keeps him active throughout his packed day of shoots and promotions. From performing his own stunts to waking up before dawn for his daily workout, Akshay's lifestyle is extremely active. He's always on the go, and this energy booster juice is his go-to drink to stay charged up. Today we're going to unravel the secret behind his energy and share with you Akshay Kumar's favorite healthy juice recipe. So stay tuned and get ready to add a punch of health and energy to your life. To recreate Akshay Kumar's favorite energy booster, we're going to need a few simple ingredients. First up, we have a handful of spinach. This leafy green is not only low in calories, but also high in vitamins A and C, fiber and iron. It's a superfood that's going to make our juice nutrient-dense. Next, we need 1 cucumber. Cucumbers are hydrating and refreshing. They also provide a good dose of vitamin K, which is essential for bone health. The third ingredient is a green apple. It's here to add a sweet and tangy flavor to our juice, but it also packs a punch with its high fiber content and rich antioxidant profile. We'll also need a small piece of ginger. This root adds a zing to our juice and is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Finally, a squeeze of lemon juice. It not only brightens up the flavor of our juice, but also aids in digestion and boosts our immunity. Now that we have our ingredients ready, it's time to move on to the preparation. Making this energy-boosting juice is as simple as it gets. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need a handful of spinach, 1 cucumber, 1 green apple, a small piece of ginger, and a bit of lemon juice. The fresher the ingredients, the better the flavor and the higher the nutritional punch. Now let's get to work. Start by washing your produce thoroughly. This is a crucial step to remove any residual dirt, pesticides, or bacteria. You want your juice to be as clean and pure as possible. Next, prep your fruits and veggies. Chop the cucumber and apple into chunks that your blender or juicer can handle. No need to peel them as the skin holds a lot of nutritional benefits. However, make sure to remove the apple's core and seeds. As for the ginger, you just need a small piece, roughly the size of your thumb. Peel it and cut it into slices. Now, for the leafy greens. Take your handful of spinach and make sure it's free of any thick, woody stems. These can add a bitter taste to your juice and are best left out. Once everything is prepped, it's time for the fun part. Put all your ingredients into your blender or juicer. Start with the spinach, then add the cucumber, apple, and ginger. Last, but not least, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. This will not only add a tangy flavor, but also keep the color of your juice vibrant. Blend it all together until it's smooth. You're looking for a consistency that's drinkable, yet still holds some of the fiber from the fruits and veggies. If your blend is too thick, feel free to add a splash of water to thin it out. Once you're happy with the texture, pour your juice into a glass. Taste your juice. If it needs a bit more sweetness, you can add a teaspoon of organic honey or a few drops of stevia. Remember, it's all about balancing the flavors to your liking. And there you have it, Akshay Kumar's favorite juice recipe, ready to boost your energy. But what makes this juice a favorite of Akshay Kumar, you may wonder? Well, let's delve into the myriad health benefits this refreshing blend offers. Firstly, the spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrients, containing essential vitamins like A, C, K, and several B vitamins. Not to mention, it's an excellent source of iron and calcium, vital for energy production and bone health respectively. Its high fiber content aids digestion, while the antioxidants it carries help combat harmful free radicals in our bodies. Next up, the cucumber. This crisp, refreshing ingredient is over 95% water, making it a fantastic hydrator. It's also rich in vitamin K and potassium, which support heart health. Plus, it's low in calories, making it a great addition to any weight management plan. The green apple is another key player in our healthy juice. It's loaded with dietary fiber, helping to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Additionally, it's high in vitamin C, an immune-boosting antioxidant. The natural sugars in green apples also provide a quick energy boost, perfect for those mid-afternoon slumps. Let's not forget the ginger. This fiery root has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. It's known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to aid digestion. Moreover, it's a great source of antioxidants, helping to protect your body against chronic diseases. Lastly, we have the lemon juice. It's packed with vitamin C, which is vital for skin health and immunity. Plus, it's a great source of potassium, which helps control blood pressure. The citric acid in lemons can also aid digestion, helping your body to break down food more efficiently. So, this juice isn't just delicious, but it's also packed with plentiful health benefits. Each ingredient on its own is a health-promoting powerhouse. But together they create a symphony of wellness, energizing your body, supporting your immune system, aiding digestion, and promoting overall well-being. This is why Akshay Kumar swears by this juice, and why you might want to consider making it a part of your daily routine too. To recap, we've just learned how to make Akshay Kumar's favorite energy-boosting juice. We started with a simple array of ingredients: a hearty handful of spinach, 1 crisp cucumber, a juicy green apple, a punchy piece of ginger, and a fresh squeeze of lemon. All of these were then blended together until smooth, creating a refreshing and revitalizing juice. This isn't just a thirst-quenching beverage, it's a powerhouse of nutrition. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it's designed to give you a natural energy boost and keep you feeling great throughout your day. So, why not give it a try? Start your morning with this juice or use it as a pick-me-up during your day. You might just find that this becomes your favorite juice recipe too. Thanks for watching. Please leave your tips and personal experiences in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and wellness tips.